Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Let's look at an assertion reason question. Two statements are given, one labeled as assertion A and the other labeled as reason R. Assertion A. The color of clear sky appears blue. Reason R. Light of blue color has longer wavelength than red color, so it is scattered more. Let's check the options. Option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation. Option B. Both are true, but reason is not the correct explanation. Option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Option D. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Which is correct? Let's analyze this concept step by step. Look at the diagram of sunlight entering the atmosphere. Fine particles in the atmosphere scatter the incoming light. Let's check assertion A. These fine particles scatter the shorter wavelength blue light more strongly, giving the sky its blue color. This matches our assertion perfectly. Therefore, assertion A is true. Now let's check reason R. Red light has a wavelength about 1.8 times greater than blue light. This means blue light has a shorter wavelength than red light, not longer. So, the reason given is false. What is our final conclusion? Assertion A is true, but reason R is false. Hence, option C is the correct answer. Now please select the correct option above. Great! We have solved this perfectly. Happy learning!